In this video, we're going to go over the TEXTJOIN function. The TEXTJOIN function combines text from multiple ranges or strings, and you can include a delimiter that you're of your choice. We're going to go over a couple examples. For the first example, we have a range of names here. We want to combine them all into one cell. So I'm going to start by insert the function, TEXTJOIN, parentheses, and what's the delimiter? The delimiter is what we want in between each value. So most common one is a comma or a space, so we're just going to use a comma, but you could use a dash, you can use whatever you want. You can even use more than one item. You can include 3 dashes. Next, ignore empty cells. This will be true if you wanted to ignore the empty cells. If there happen to be blanks in here, it would just ignore it, which most likely is what you'd want to do. And then the final one is what are the values. So you could either include one value, or you can include the whole range. I'm just going to include this whole range, which is just column A to the whole column, and the parentheses, and press enter. And there we have it. See, we have all the names separated by comma all into one cell. And finally, instead of doing the whole column, what if we just want certain cells? If we want this cell, and this name, we press enter, and now it's just going to combine the 3 names. Next example, we have range. We got first names and last names, and here's a junior. We can do the TEXTJOIN function, the delimiter. In this example, let's do a space because we want to combine the names, the first name and the last name. Ignore empty cells, true. And what's the text? Here's the first text, here's the second, and here's the third. But since we did true, it's going to ignore the spaces. Press enter. Now if we copy this down, now we have all the names separated by a space, and it even includes the junior for this name. So that is it for the TEXTJOIN function. Hope you learned it, and if you have questions, let me know. Thanks.